Good morning, everybody. We're coming to you from Tha Mai here in Chanthaburi. And behind me, this unassuming blue-looking building is actually manufacturing fresh tofu. We're gonna go check it out, and we're meeting up with my friend Michael here to have lunch at the first restaurant who ever served khao man gai with chili paste. Anyway, let's see what they got going on in here. Oh wow, they've got the whole factory set up back here. Yeah, that smells like tofu for sure. Sawadee krap. Sawadee krap. So yeah, it smells amazing, right? Yeah, it does smell like ginger too. It's very interesting. They have, huge vats, presses, drying racks. Get past this fan. Look at everything that they've got in here set up. This one's cooking, throwing off a lot of heat. Gas tank. Look at these big pots, buckets. This is quite an operation. Oh, what is this big thing? You guys, I'm sorry for this crazy camera work. I have no idea what I'm looking at right now. Look at this huge mixer. So the coolest thing is you would never think that this was all going on in here from the outside. The building is so unassuming. Check this out. I'm always curious about how long they've been doing these things. Whenever I'm in a place like this, I want to know, like, how many years did this place run? I don't know why. Do you know how old this place is? We have no idea. Sawadee krap. Sawadee krap. Oh, so cute. Sawadee krap. Good to see you. Yes, yes. How long?
4 generations.
4 generations. 100 years. Whoa. Yeah, so like I said, we're going to this restaurant. This restaurant serves khao man gai with chili paste. They're the first to ever do it. And this is hands down one of my favorite Thai dishes. I have trouble saying what dish is my favorite, but khao man gai is definitely top ranking. Take a look at this street too, man. A lot of old traditional wooden buildings. A lot of character going on this street. Oh, hold up, hold up. I almost left my camera bag. Get too relaxed around here in Tha Mai. We're walking over to that restaurant, and we'll check in when we get there. Oh yeah, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're new. Be sure to subscribe. Okay. Ah, these are famous desserts. Excellent. Sawadee krap. Oh, look at that photo. Get some of that on the way out. So he's late. He's running late, yeah. Okay. So this is the restaurant that we came to eat at. This is the restaurant that serves khao man gai. There's all the boiled chicken for the khao man gai. Mudang is like pork with red sauce. And they've got some other treats and things here that they're making. And yeah, we're gonna come in here and grab a table actually here soon. In a minute, we're gonna have some of this khao man gai. So khao man gai is chicken with rice, and the rice is cooked with the chicken broth, ginger, and it just makes like a really hearty meal. Kind of like arroz con pollo, but Thai style. So for those of you who don't know what the slow bar is, you're about to find out right now. And for those of you who do know what the slow bar is, let me know. How good is the coffee? Yeah, it's a cool little device that he has. That looks really rich. Beautiful. Tha Mai. It's such a small town, but it's happening. There's a lot of life here and a really good community here. That looks great. Yeah, it's a tricky situation with Lana because she always wants a drink when we get a coffee. That is so good. All right, so I got this problem, and my problem is that whenever I get like big subscriber growth on my channel, like from say I maybe make a Facebook post that gets a lot of engagement, or just yesterday, like World of Oni watched one of my videos live on stream and I had a lot of subscribers, YouTube deletes those subscribers, man. So if you're watching this right now and you're not subscribed to my channel, but you're watching my content, please hit the subscribe button, because you guys are the subscribers that are like authentic, and you won't get deleted. But yeah, it's just it's hard, you know, when you're starting out a YouTube channel and then YouTube deletes actual people who want to subscribe to your content. It deletes them. Mike's around. He's near.
Okay.
I went from 40 kmh to 0. I threw myself on the ground. Have a seat. Oh, bro. Yes.
How are you?
Hello, little one. Hello. Sawadee. Here. Oh. Here I got a big yellow, blue, cut up thing. And here I got an x-ray that turned out to be, I'm astonished that I wasn't fucked up. Well, I love this town. I love that building. Is that the one you're pointing to?
Yeah, that's where we're going.
Well, then I'm totally stoked on that.
Yeah, and Michael has a channel here too. Michael Nixton on YouTube.
Yeah,
comment up the video.
Okay, yeah, thanks.
So if anyone wants a sub.
All my content is mainly snowboarding from different parts of the world. But
Right.
I welcome any feedback from anybody. I have a $3,000 build coming.
Yeah, you do. You do. Let me see the damage.
I took the dinger here.
Uh-huh.
You can see where I grounded there.
Yeah.
That was that. And I did that.
Scratch the decal.
That, and then that.
Oh.
And this is out of alignment. I'm looking at 3Ks, friends.
Jeez.
And I went from 40 kilometers an hour to 0 pretty quickly.
But very little in injuries.
I'm astonished, dude.
The bike took the brunt of the damage.
The bike took the brunt of the damage.
It might be a little more than 3K, dude.
They said have to wait
Yes.
a little bit.
Oh, gotta wait.
Table is full.
Okay.
Could easily
All right.
be more than 3K.
It might be a little more. So you're filming on the Insta 360?
I am, I'm not filming now, but I have an Insta 360, yeah.
That is sick, man.
The X4.
I never seen one, but that's a good looking camera.
Dude, it is so stashy.
Yeah.
Also,
Yeah.
you know, and then it's nice as a camera instead of my phone.
Mm-hmm.
Way better quality.
Way better.
I don't use it enough.
I might go order it first. and let them make the table for us.
After the camera goes off, I'll tell you a story.
Alrighty.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, and you?
I'll have a small size. So with just 2 cameras, it makes a 360 video.
That's correct.
That's insane.
You can sometimes see a ripple seam.
Mm-hmm.
You know, like it must be right at this vantage point at the 90-degree mark. But so most people will always film in 360 because you can edit it back to single lens. Any of the edits that you make, you can knock them out in 360.
That is crazy that it gets the sky and everything.
Oh. And that's, here you can't do it, but in the edit you can do tiny planet. So you can zoom in, you can zoom out.
I saw that.
It's,
Like what you did at the temple.
oh shit, the yuppies found it.
Yeah, get them out of here.
Get them out of here. Go home, gringo.
Yeah, this is a really authentic restaurant here. What is the name of this restaurant?
I forget the
Hello,
name.
young lady.
We
How are
don't
you
know.
today?
90% of the time we don't know where we are.
It's
So-
spicy.
Yes.
It's not super
No,
spicy.
yeah,
It is spicy here.
Is that
Oh my
this?
god.
This is different.
You got something different.
So this is gai tod fried chicken, and this is mu dang. This is well, this is gai tom. Yeah, boiled chicken, and the boiled chicken is on top of the rice that's cooked with the broth of the chicken and ginger. This is the red chili paste that this place is known for making, and I guess here it's spicy. I lied earlier. I said it's not spicy. This one is spicy. And then the soup comes with the food, which is just like
a broth.
yeah, it's just like a vegetable broth basically.
Bouillon.
Yep,
Is
yep.
this the same spice as this?
Same.
Same.
And this is just
Soy sauce.
Like
Yeah,
soy
it's
sauce.
the chicken.
Really? And that's different too.
Can I pour it right over the top? Like,
Careful.
Be careful, little bit.
Yeah, little bit.
why? Because it's very spicy.
Or in case maybe the flavor.
Salty and spicy.
All right. I'm going in with a little bit of that too. I've never seen this.
Going deeper. I'm going deeper.
Now I wish I got the big size. It is spicy, that chili, but it's killer.
Good.
It's got a kick to it.
Okay. My buddy Stuart was the first one to use that word in my presence for that. For context. He used to be a chef in New Orleans, but yeah.
ไหนนะว้าวสวยเนอะ Wow, this is how beautiful. Wow. เอาโซดาก็ได้จ้ะโซดาเดี๋ยวมาน้ำแข็งDo you like? Do you like? Ducky? That's ducky?
So many cafes in this area.
Oh, cute too.
Yeah. Way cool.
So hot. Honey lemon soda.
Oh, that's the best. So refreshing. All right, so this restaurant was amazing. It's already all closed up. See it over there? They closed the doors around 1:30. So you gotta come early if you're looking to come to this spot. But the food was incredible. And there's another really great place right over here. this Coca-Cola sign that says Wang Nai. This is like a really famous goi tiao restaurant here that serves amazing noodle soup that you should try if you're in Chanthaburi.
So good.
It's good?
Yeah.
Killer. Later, brother. Michael's dipping out. He's got something to do today, and then he's off to Bangkok. To be continued, Michael. Thank you for watching, and thanks for stopping by to meet up with us. So today was so unexpected to go into that tofu factory, and Cherry and I are talking about how we ran into our friend actually before we went in there, and just how friendly the people in Chanthaburi are, where her father, our friend's father, was with us, and the owner of the factory and the father are talking like they're best friends. It's the first time they've ever met. And that's how these people in Chanthaburi are. It's like they are so friendly. You meet someone for the first time, but it's like you've known them your whole life. It's such a beautiful place. Seriously, beautiful place with beautiful people. And we love Thailand and we love Chanthaburi. And right now we're wishing everybody who's in this this crisis that's going on in the Thai-Cambodia border, hoping that they're safe and that everything works out. You know, we want there to be peace in Thailand and between Thailand and Cambodia too. So that's it for the vlog. For everyone who's watching, thank you so much for continuing to watch. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are. Take care.
Don't leave your bag.
I got my bag this time. Good point.